Okay, so you're probably wondering where I am. Well, I'll show you the wall button, but it might give it away. Yes, it is a 4166 button with it's broken, it's never been used. And this is a 16x7 Windsor door. It's kind of like my dad's door, but the struts right there. It's got wasp nests and spiders. And yeah, this is the LiftMaster. It's LiftMaster 1045, sorry. The back of this, I think it's a dip switcher. I don't know when this is made. Yeah, it's dip switch. I think they put these in homes whenever they were building them. Made in... Doesn't really say. This door is out of commission. Well, rollers popped out. My grandma claims she closed the door. Then all of a sudden, the rollers all of a sudden popped out of it. So that's why I couldn't open it. I opened it. That's how it drooped down, and then the door was on that side. So a lot of work has to be done with this door, but I don't have the money or budget to do that. So there's the back of it. So yeah, I'll get around and fix that, but until I can find some money, I can't do it. If you have any questions or tips, please help me or DM me. Thank you.